What's up, YouTube? So today I'm working on a 2003 Dodge Ram 1500, and so I'm going to be working on the PCV valve. We'll be replacing that. The truck has 222,000 miles, so it needs to be replaced. People told me that it needs to be replaced at least every 30,000 miles, and as far as I know, this has not been changed from the factory. But the things you'll need to get to this, I mean, honestly, you won't even need any tools. The PCV valve is located right there next to your oil fill cap. So that one right there. And I mean, you could get to it from here without removing anything, but I'm going to remove this top cover here from the airbox. I just loosened that flathead screw right there for the clamp. And here's the clips. Here, if you guys don't know where they are, there, see your box is sitting like this. You have your clips here that hold your top cover on. I took that off here just so it's easier to show you guys. Okay, so your PCV valve is right there. That one. And all you have to do is remove the hose that connects to it here. I already disconnected mine just so I wouldn't be fumbling with the camera. And here's the new one. I got this at AutoZone. It was only $5. And that's the part number, so if you guys want to look it up. And so to remove this PCV valve, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees, like so, and then just pull it out. Because it has this clip here. Let me show you guys. It has this like protrusion, and that locks into here, so it only fits one way. So once you get it to where it should be, it should just pop out like that. And here's the old one. It'll focus. See, yeah, it's pretty gunked up, and it looks to be the original OEM one because of the emblem right there. Sorry for the focus, guys. See if it'll focus. It won't focus. Okay, whatever. So again, have the old one on the left, the new one on the right. See how gunked up this one is compared to the new one. So in order to put the new one on, again, it's just reverse to taking it off. You want to align this protrusion to that slot, right there, like so. And you want to push it till you like hear it click, or until it's in there, so you could give it a turn. So it's in there. You see how it slides on that rail there. So there you go. And then you just connect your hose. Connect your hose onto it. Mine came out from this side, but I'll put that back on off camera. Again, this is to change out your your PCV valve. This is part number, the old one here, linked up, and this is on the 3.7 liter V6 2003 Dodge Ram. Okay. Just to show you guys. The mileage on the vehicle here. 222,000 miles on this vehicle. No oil leaks. It was burning oil, which is the reason why I changed out the PCV valve. I was told to replace that first and see if that changes anything as far as burning oil. And if it's not that, it could be something with the actual engine. Something more expensive, but like I said again, that PCV valve is $5. So if you want to change that out first before dropping some big dollars on anything else, go ahead and do that first. But again, if this you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and I'll try to make more videos. Thanks, guys.